time we leave this Airbnb, we have to manually close the gates. Today is a perfect day. It's rainy, it's cool. Look at this. You see this? Lock that bitch up. Got that. All right. Here we go. So I just parked my car. Now I'm walking to the front of Viva Baseball. Oh, I am so grateful for my life, you guys. So grateful. Here we go. Oh, I got my mask.
Hi there.
Hello.
What can I do for you?
I have a reservation for Tasha Lewis.
Yeah. I'll grab you the temperature real fast.
Okay.
96.4, perfect.
Okay.
And then I will have a little bit of paperwork for you to fill out.
Okay.
Feel free to have a seat up here. We do have someone waiting in the relaxation room for now, but once we can rotate y'all out.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. So I just finished my massage.
Crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long.
I love it here. My neck feels so much better. When you turn 30, you have to get your body massaged, you know, release all that tension built up in the body from the past year, especially 2020. If you're turning 30 this year and you've dealt with 2020, you have to get a massage. You have to treat yourself. This is self-care. This is self-love. And now I'm waiting to do my facial. And my skin has been breaking out, but we're gonna get on that. Thanks.
Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do.
It's glowing.